build a community, establishing this beautiful, insightful sites, which I really appreciate this one. And we have seen that a lot of camels. It's the first time I've seen camels, horse. I couldn't expect in Puntland because of the weather condition. But we have such a highland weather condition, which I've seen cattle, calves. Really, it is a beautiful insight, a green area. Would like to visit again and again these places. And really, Ethiopia and Puntland, we have a strong cooperation, strong people-to-people ties. The people of Puntland and Ethiopia sacrificed their bones and blood for different reasons, including peace, security, and tranquility. This will continue. Our consulate here in Garowe also serving the society for consular service, trade, cultural exchanges, meeting with different ministries. These are our activities. Really, I'm very happy to be here. I and my colleagues are here today also. They are celebrating with us. They are enjoying. It is the first time for them to come here. This is a hidden place that we didn't see before. And we came and we searched it. We want to travel and to see again. And we want to visit another place. By the way, if you utilize it, there are other places also in Puntland. If you to Karkar, to the mountain areas, if you go to Libdo, to the Bosaso, I know there is also ale areas. Even in, you have a very traditional markets. I know Galkayo markets also with the traditional clothes, textiles, cuisine. I have seen on YouTube, however, I haven't traveled to that places. So you have many things to utilize and to promote to the society. And Ethiopia also ready to cooperate in cultural exchanges, in traditions, including border areas, clan cooperation. We would like to continue strengthening our working together, which is always cooperation between Ethiopia and Puntland. And also, would like to invite you to visit Ethiopia's different sites, like Sofumar you have in Harar, Al-Najash, these which are related with your culture, your religion. We have very beautiful places. Really, for inviting these beautiful places, I thank you very much. Would like to continue to see and to visit, to explore in Puntland. We don't want to sit just in the office.